Some juices that contain heart-healthy nutrients. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants, particularly polyphenols like anthocyanins and ellagic acid, which may have heart protective effects and help reduce oxidative stress. Beetroot juice. Beetroots are a good source of nitrates, which can help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure, potentially benefiting heart health. Cranberry juice. Cranberries contain antioxidants known as flavonoids, which may have positive effects on heart health by reducing inflammation and improving blood vessel function. Orange juice. Oranges are high in vitamin C, potassium, and folate, which can support heart health and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Green vegetable juices. Juices made from leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which can contribute to heart health. Carrot juice. Carrots are a good source of beta-carotene, which is a potent antioxidant that may help protect the heart. Remember that while these juices can be part of a healthy diet, they should not replace whole fruits and vegetables in your daily meals. Juices may lack the fiber content found in whole fruits and vegetables, which is essential for digestive health. Additionally, fruit juices can be high in natural sugars, so it's best to consume them in moderation. The most effective way to promote heart health is to adopt an overall balanced and varied diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, along with regular exercise and other heart-healthy lifestyle choices. If you have specific concerns about your heart health or diet, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized advice. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe Glory for World Changel on YouTube